Hey, Apple has officially released the first developer beta of iOS 26.4, and this update introduces a large number of new features for the iPhone. It includes support for video podcasts, updates to stolen device protection, full encryption for RCS messages, a new Apple Music playlist creation tool, and many additional improvements. The update is expected to be released publicly in the spring. Here are the full details of all the new features. Number 1. Playlist Playground. Apple Music now includes a new feature called Playlist Playground. This feature allows you to create a playlist simply by typing a text description. Inside the app, you will find an option where you can enter any idea. You can also choose from suggested prompts such as morning coffee music, hip-hop party tracks, disco songs from the 70s, or you can type any mood, feeling, or idea that comes to mind. Based on your input, the feature automatically generates a playlist of 25 songs, complete with a customized playlist title. You can also edit these playlists by adding more text prompts, choosing a cover image, and writing a description. Number 2. New Apple Music features. Concerts near you. The app now includes a feature that helps you discover concerts happening near your location and see tour dates for artists you follow. Apple has also redesigned the look of albums and playlists, adding full-screen cover artwork for a more immersive experience. Number 3. Apple Podcasts Video. With iOS 26.4, Apple has added video podcast capabilities to the Podcasts app. This feature uses HLS streaming technology to provide high-quality playback and monetization opportunities for creators. You can switch between watching the video version or listening to the audio-only version. Episodes can also be downloaded for offline viewing, and playback is optimized for both Wi-Fi and mobile data connections. Video episodes will appear in recommendations and curated editor picks within the app. Number 4. Stolen Device Protection. Stolen device protection is now enabled by default for all iPhone users instead of being optional. Apple designed this feature to protect users from thieves who may know the device passcode before stealing the phone to access banking apps or change passwords. The feature requires Face ID or Touch ID authentication to access sensitive areas, such as the Passwords app, Lost Mode, certain Safari purchases. Some features are completely locked without biometric authentication, while others require a 1-hour security delay. Number 5. Full end-to-end encryption for RCS messages. Apple is testing full end-to-end encryption for RCS messages in this update. Previously, iMessage conversations between iPhones were encrypted. RCS messages between Android devices were encrypted. However, there was no full encryption between iPhone and Android devices. Now, Apple is working with GSMA Association to implement cross-platform encryption. Encrypted messages will display a lock icon inside the conversation. Currently, Apple is testing this between iPhones using RCS, with Android support expected in a future update. Number 6. Messages app updates. The Messages app includes small new animations, such as when opening a new conversation. Number 7. Unified Apple Account Design. In apps such as the App Store and Apple Music, Apple has introduced a unified account settings center, replacing the old profile layout. It offers the same functions as before, but with a cleaner and more consistent design. In the App Store, apps and purchase history have been merged. A dedicated section for app updates has been created. Accessing updates now requires 2 taps instead of being immediately visible at the bottom. The search bar is no longer a separate button and now appears at the top of the screen when selected. Number 8. Ambient Music Widget. A new widget is available for both the home screen and lock screen. It plays ambient music for sleep, focus, relaxation, and other moods. Number 9. Wallpaper Gallery and Watch Face Gallery. The Wallpaper Gallery has been redesigned and now allows downloads by categories such as weather, astronomy, emoji, colors. The same design changes have been applied to the Watch Face Gallery inside the Watch app. Number 10. Freeform Creator Studio. Freeform Creator Studio is now available to subscribers. It introduces a content hub with new design elements. Subscribers can access high-quality graphics, images, and illustrations not available to non-subscribers, along with artificial intelligence tools for generating and editing images. The Freeform app also features a redesigned icon. Number 11. Reminders app. The Reminders app now includes a new section called Urgent. Any reminder marked as urgent will appear in this section and will include an alert to ensure you do not miss it. Number 12. iCloud Web Settings. A new iCloud.com option has been added at the bottom of iCloud settings. This replaces the previous Access iCloud Data on the Web button. The new setting includes an Allow Search option, which allows trusted devices to appear in search results on iCloud.com. Number 13, Notification Forwarding, European Union only. Apple has reintroduced notification forwarding in the European Union. This feature allows iPhone notifications to be forwarded to a third-party smartwatch, such as Android-based watches. Notifications can only be forwarded to one device at a time. If enabled for an external watch, Apple Watch will not receive notifications. This feature is designed to comply with European competitive regulations. Number 14, Proximity Pairing, European Union only. Another Europe-specific feature allows third-party devices to pair with the iPhone using a one-tap proximity experience, similar to how AirPods connect when brought near the device. Emoji note: no new emoji have been officially released in iOS 26.4. However, system code indicates that new emoji might be coming in the future, including a distorted face, a hairy creature similar to Bigfoot, a fight cloud, and a ballet dancer, and others. See you next video.